Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we're going to be talking about the One UI update on the Gear S3 and the Galaxy Watch. Now, I downloaded the update, right? And update has worked for me. That means I'm getting 2 hours of battery life once again. My watch has been a paperweight for a very long time, and I've been excited about it ever since I've gotten the update. I thought, what could I lose so far as downloading it, because I haven't been able to use my watch for about a whole year now. And it worked, right? So I decided not to do this on the Galaxy Watch because I love my Galaxy Watch. I spent a lot of money for it, and I know what I went through so far, the Tizen 3.0 update on my Gear S3, so I wasn't willing to take any risk on that one. I didn't want two paperweights, so I just did the Gear S3. Now I'm hearing bad news about the One UI update on many other smartwatches that are out there. The Gear S3 mainly. There's a lot of people that's saying that they were getting tons of battery life, like 2 days of battery life, and now they're only getting 5 hours of battery life, 7 hours of battery life, not even 12 hours of battery life. Now, there's one guy whose battery drain is coming from contacts, mainly from contacts, and a lot of it. I couldn't believe that. So how is an update draining battery life from contacts? Why is that happening? I don't know. I don't know what's going on with Samsung and these updates for these smartwatches, but it hasn't been working. Yes, it worked for me. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm excited about it. I've been wearing my Gear S3 every single day, but for everybody else, I'm sorry you are going through it. Now, the question is, for those of you all who have not updated, who are looking for the update, and you are really wanting this update because you like the refresh of the UI that it's bringing, really should you update? Now, a lot of other people are having problems. If you're not having any issues with your Gear S3 or your Galaxy Watch, I don't know if I would update. Now, that's gonna be on you. I'm not gonna tell you what and what you should not do, but I'm telling you, I would think this out. Yes, it worked for me. Yes, it works for countless other people, but there are many other people who are having an adverse response to the update of the One UI on the Gear S3. Now, Samsung, they want you to fix the issue. What's going on with the update on the Gear S3, Samsung? Yes, I'm still Team Samsung till the casket drops. I'm not going anywhere, and I know things happen, but with these watches, it becomes the paperweight, and we've spent hundreds of dollars on these smartwatches. Samsung, you gotta get it right. You gotta get it right. All right, you all, listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're still having issues with the Galaxy Watch and or the Gear S3 update. Did it drain your battery? One other thing, let me share this with you. Now, I was on Facebook and I found out some information about one thing you may be able to do that has helped a couple of people. Now, the person who shared the information said that what they did was they drained the battery all the way down to 0, and then they, of course, recharged it, and once they recharged it, they had to do it again. So I think they did it like 3 times, and that helped with battery life for some. It isn't guaranteed that it's gonna work, but it's an option that you can try, or just simply reset the watch and see if that works also. I know what your Galaxy Watch means to you, or your Gear S3, because I went through the same thing with the Tizen 3.0 update, and I'm telling you, I was sick. In spite of the fact that I had the Galaxy Watch, the Gear S3 was my first real love so far as a circular design smartwatch is concerned, and I was sick about it when it happened. Did I break up with Samsung? I'm gonna be honest with you, no. Will I ever? Probably not. But listen, the question at the end of the day is, should you download this update if you have great battery life? I don't know. That's going to be up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to download in spite of the information that you have just been given, or if you're simply just going to leave it alone. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I'm hoping you're having the greatest day ever, and I'm going to see you at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.